Okay, Gracie, you got it up now. We want to go to V. Can we go to V? Oh, gonna turn on the power first. That's always important. Okay, now we go to V. Bottom one. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! That one should have been on.
Are you okay? Why are you near the plow?
I was looking at it.
Are you okay?
Fine.
Did we get your foot?
No, you missed him.
I was prepared.
That was a keeper, by the way. Okay, let's start over again.
I would have lost my job had I taken off Howie's foot.
Well, you dropped there, but you'd be working here
I know. I would have been at Trucks Trucks.
forever.
Okay, I'm scared now.
Okay, now, no, pick it up. Up we go. Okay, now, let's go to scoop. You got scoop? Okay, can you go the other way now and beat? Very good. Now go back to, let's go to the bottom. Yeah, the other way. So now that's right angle. And then you can go to left angle. So we're getting that okay? So you're up, you're down, you scoop, you're right, you're left, and V-plow.
Woo! It's really as easy as that.